Hey, what is going on YouTube? This is Tom here with another episode of Market Cap Investing, where we're teaching you the power of long-term compounding growth and fractional shares using Fidelity, $5 per week. We're almost the year end, $252 invested, $25 in gains. We actually have more than that because today's a good day for us. 10% growth, that's annualized APR of 10%. Again, that's doing really good. We haven't taken a lot of risk. We really, I'm going to show you this, really bought a lot of high quality, long-term performers, large companies. They're probably not going to grow as much. That's why the percentage gains are low. Today we're going to buy some GAN Limited. So this is much more of a gamble stock, like when we bought Beam, like when we bought Grow. A couple of these at the bottom, the small caps that have a chance to really outperform. But again, we're going to show the power of long-term compounding. Slow and steady wins the race. We're focused on the market cap. And we're making the macro trends work for us. The macro trend we're talking about here is legalized sports gambling. So GAN in general is one of these companies that provides the backbone for a lot of the apps for sports gambling and or casino gambling, online gambling. So let me show you here on the profile, just real quick on Yahoo Finance, that they're based in Irvine, California, and I'll let you just real quickly read the description while I got it on the screen related to software as a service, casino gaming, and behind the scenes, peer-to-peer poker, other online casino games. So this is definitely a huge trend that's going to continue. And when I look at the financials, this is, again, they meet all of our criteria, right? It's a company that's growing revenue. It's a company that's growing earnings. If I look at earnings, they make more money every year. They were negative in 2020, which concerns me, but it was a pandemic, so I still think they're going to come out of it. When I look at the chart down here, revenue is just soaring the past couple quarters. And then they've really been beaten up because if you'll notice here, they seem to miss what analysts think is going to happen, and they have another earnings call coming up in the next few days. I can't imagine that they're going to miss a fifth time in a row compared to what the analyst expectations are. So after they actually meet or exceed expectations here, it's gonna pop this week, and it's definitely a stock that we want to grow for the long run. So now's a good time to buy it. We're not trying to time the market, but we want to make sure we get in before this thing explodes. I'm going to go over here to the Fidelity app real fast and just take a look at how we're doing. I was actually going to come in today, believe it or not, recommending that we buy more Trade Desk, and I still would like to buy more Trade Desk at some point, but given today it is up 30% in one day, I decided that maybe today's not the best day to buy more. It might pull back a little bit more. Maybe next week we'll look to buy more Trade Desk, but I was going to actually increase how much we have in Trade Desk. But since we kind of missed the pop by not buying last week, we'll wait a few more weeks and then we'll find another opportunity to buy. So let's come in here and let's buy some GAN, $5 worth, and then we'll see how they do. And now and in the future, again, very small cap. So 650 million, I believe, is what I showed there. Which means it won't take much for this stock to get to 6 billion, for example, which, DraftKings, I believe, is at about 20 billion. So if things go well with a stock like this, it could easily be a 10xer or a 30xer, right, for that matter. So anyway, hope you like the video. Please give it a thumbs up to like it and subscribe, and we'll be back next week with another video. Thanks.